Gas generator. Honey Power produce eco-friendly, cost-effective gas power generator within the power range of 16 kilowatts to 1500 kilowatts. Honey gas power generators are powered by Sino US advanced technology engines. Our gas engines are equipped with most advanced optimized ignition system and lean burn technology to ensure better efficiency and emission. Our specially designed control system to control the entire cogeneration plant. CHP and CCHP availability ensure our flexible configuration. Honey Gas Series ensures highest efficiency, long service life, reduced emission,